and in this video segment I'm going to show you how to propagate your carnivorous plants through seeds. If you want to know more about these plants, you can visit us at equilibriocarnivorousplants.com. So once the plant has produced seeds like this, you want to take the dry flowers and cut them off of the plant. You place them on a piece of paper like this here. After your plant has produced seeds, you can also save the dried flowers in a cup or a container like this. Just make sure you identify the seeds that you have with the plant name so that you don't get them confused. After you have the cut dried flowers, you want to pulverize them very well. This enables the seeds to escape from the dried flower. You're not going to be able to see the seeds typically because they're extremely small. After you have the dried flowers very well pulverized, you take a few pots, fill them up with your carnivorous plant soil, and you want to distribute your pulverized flowers over these pots. You want to do this evenly and in equal amounts so that you're getting an equal number of seeds in each pot. You want to water these pots, and after the seeds germinate in a few months, you'll have hundreds of baby sundews.